What's up, YouTube, man? Welcome back to the Shiny Guy. So today, man, this video, I'm gonna see how many car alarms I can set off. So don't get mad at me if you come back and your car battery is dead, because I'm gonna be setting off some car alarms today. So if you are new, man, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, man. Let's get into this video. YouTube, all right, I'm now in the parking garage. So pretty much what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna be having angles of me coming up. I'm gonna turn my bass up to see if I can actually set off some car alarms, or you guys can just see how loud the bass is. Alright, you guys, so pretty much not too many people's car alarms went off because 9 times out of 10 some of them don't have car alarms. Not every single car has a car alarm on it, but if you do listen in the video, which I already probably put the captions, you hear the car alarms going off. Those are actually cars that have like alarms. Like some cars, they come with factory alarms, but those are really only good if you, like, say, open the door and the car door has been closed, or say like the windows roll down and the doors are locked, you reach in and unlock the door and open the door, then the car alarm will go off. That's factory. But usually aftermarket car alarms, basically they have like a shock sensor, which mine does. So I'm gonna show you guys that in a few seconds. So when you hit it, that's a factory alarm for Viper. But hope you guys did like this video. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. All right, peace.